Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. So let's begin the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the data you want to graph. Now click and drag to select the data you want to include. Now go to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. Now go for Chart. As you notice, a chart editor is appeared on the right. In this chart editor, you can customize your chart type, labels and other settings to make it fit your needs. That's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.